Hi travelers, I'm Brian from Take the Trip. Today we're in the center of beautiful Versailles, Kentucky, and we're doing something a little unique today. We're going to be taking a pedal-powered rail car, and the track is about 6 miles long. It takes about an hour to pedal out and about an hour to pedal back. So if you guys are ready, let's take the trip.
Zip up the bag, I'm out the door. Passport dreams can't wait no more. One-way ticket, who needs a plan? New city lights, yeah, I'm that fan. Clock's been ticking, bucket list waits. Why not now? No need for fate. The world is wide, the time is right. I'm chasing stars on a red-eye flight. Got a dream and it's packed in tight. No GPS, but it feels so right. Take the trip, don't wait, just fly. Wake up under a brand new sky. Try the food, don't know the name. Still tastes like heaven just the same. Laugh with people you just met. Moments you'll never forget. This is your life, don't let it slip. Come on and take the trip. Woke up where the dreams live loud. City buzz and a laughing crowd. Coffee strong, streets unknown, but I've never felt more at home. Man, it's wild, can't pronounce a thing, but the flavors make my spirit sing. New best friends, we just said hi. Now we're dancing under moonlight skies. Let the rhythm find your pace. Let the world become your place. Take the trip, don't wait, just fly. Wake up under a brand new sky. Try the food, don't know the name. Still tastes like heaven just the same. Laugh with people you just met. Moments you'll never forget. This is your life, don't let it slip. Come on and take the trip. No more someday, just say yes. The best stories come from mess. Lost and found in mountain mist. The world is wide, can't miss this twist. Take the trip, your heart knows how. The time is always.
Hey guys, that about wraps up this adventure for this time. So if you're ever in Versailles, Kentucky, and you want to do something different, try the pedal-powered, rail car. It was an awesome experience. The weather was fabulous, and it was a great way to get some exercise and enjoy the outdoors. So till the next adventure, remember, take the trip.